This is question number 17 of IIT JAM 2021 entrance exam. Let's see what the question has to say. It says there are only two firms in an industry. One, they're producing a homogeneous product and they have identical production technology, which means that they will definitely have identical cost function. The identical cost function is given to us as CIQI is equal to QI square. So for one, the cost function is going to be Q1 square. For firm 2, the cost function is going to be Q2 square. Okay. Now this says that the market demand is given by certain function, and the market demand is given by P is equal to 100 minus Q. So I go ahead and write my market demand as P is equal to 100 minus Q. Now it goes ahead and says that the firms are price taker. So find the equilibrium. Now this is the most important line of my question. Assume that the firms are price takers, which means that firms take price as given. So, ideally, this is the situation that that takes place in any competitive firm. So, what is happening really is this. Ideally, the firm says that, you give me whatever price is existing in the market, and at this given price, I will produce the maximum. And how do I decide what I produce? Well, I will look at my marginal cost curve, and wherever my MC will be equal to my P, I will produce that quantity. But I will take price from you. This is what it says. The firms are taking price from the market. So the market forces, let's try and see this. The market forces of demand and supply, they have determined the price in the economy. Demand and supply together, they have gone ahead and determined that this should be the equilibrium price and this should be the equilibrium quantity. Any firm in this market will take this price as given and would produce at this price. So they cannot determine this price. This is given to them. All that they can do is act like a perfectly competitive firm and see where will they get their equilibrium. And where do any firm get their equilibrium? Where they equate price is equal to marginal cost. No profit, no loss situation. Why? Because it is a perfectly competitive firm. So no profit, no loss situation. Now our P is given as 100 minus Q. So this is nothing but 100 minus Q1 plus Q2. This is nothing but 100 minus Q1 minus Q2. The cost function of firm 1 is Q1 square. So the marginal cost will be del of cost with respect to Q1, which would be 2Q1. Equilibrium for firm 1. That would be where 100 minus Q1 minus Q2 is equal to 2Q1. Price is equal to marginal cost, or 100 minus Q2 is equal to 3Q1. This is the equilibrium for firm 1. Now, similarly, you have to find the equilibrium for firm 2. Well, not required. We know that the equations are symmetric equations, by which I mean that the price is the same. Each firm is taking price as given, and we know that for firm 2 we simply have cost as Q2 square, so marginal cost would be 2Q2, right? They are symmetric. So I just have to replace Q1 by Q2 and Q2 by Q1 in this equation, and I will get the equilibrium equation of firm 2. So equilibrium equation of firm 2, let's write firm 2, that is just the opposite of this equation. It will be 100 minus Q1 is equal to 3Q2. This is the equilibrium equation of firm 2. Now I know the equilibrium equations of both firm 1 and 2. I will just simultaneously solve. So from here, find the value of Q1. You will get 100 minus 3Q2. Put this value in equation 1, the equilibrium of firm 1. So instead of Q1, I will put 100 minus 3Q2. So I will get 100 minus Q2 is equal to 300 minus 3Q2. This is 300 minus 9Q2, 100 minus Q2. This will go here, so it will be 9Q2 minus Q2 is equal to 300 minus 100. So we will have 8Q2 is equal to 200. We will have Q2 is equal to 25. Now again, symmetric, because the equations are symmetric. So if if Q2 star is 25, automatically I don't even have to solve, Q1 will be 25. If you want, you can put here and check, but Q1 will also be 25. So Q, which is nothing but Q1 star plus Q2 star. What's the total quantity in my economy? It is 25 plus 25, it is 50. What is the price that exists in my economy? Well, the price is 100 minus Q, which is 100, equilibrium price. 100 minus 50, which is 50. So the answer to this question is D. The important part in this question was that you have to see and read the question. The question says that the firm is a price taker. And when the firm is price taker, the firm takes the price from the market and just produces the quantity where P is equal to MC. Do not make the mistake of finding profit and differentiating profit with respect to Q1, Q2, finding the optima Q1, Q2. No. In this case, we are changing what the question is saying. In this case, indirectly you're equating MR is equal to MC. We are not required to do this. We do not, we are not talking about a situation where we are maximizing profit. We are talking about a situation where we are maximizing the quantity, and that is something where we equate P is equal to MC. Please try and understand. Here, my aim is to take price as given, and if prices are given to me, then as a perfectly competitive firm, I will produce wherever my price equates marginal cost, which is nothing but no profit, no loss situation, or normal profit situation. Okay, thank you.